Here are 5 common benefits of cucumbers. Number 1. Keeps you hydrated. With about 96% water content, cucumbers help keep your body hydrated and prevent dehydration. Number 2. Great for skin health. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, cucumbers help refresh your skin, reduce puffiness under the eyes, and give a soothing effect. Number 3. Aids digestion. The fiber in cucumbers helps improve digestion, prevent constipation, and keep your gut healthy. Number 4. Helps lower blood pressure. Cucumbers contain potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and support heart health. Number 5. Supports weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, cucumbers are perfect for weight loss as they keep you full longer without adding extra calories. Cucumbers may be simple, but their benefits are amazing.